Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can fix your network problem. If your network is not coming or every time it crashes, how you can fix this in your Poco smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, swipe down, here it is additional settings. You can click on search bar, also click on reset, and here it is reset mobile data. You have to first reset your mobile data. From here press OK, and then you have to do this, press back, go to apps, here it is manage apps, and here you have to write system. Just click on Android system intelligent and clear cache this, press back, then you have to go to Android system web view. Then similarly you have to do this process again, clear cache this, and your problem will be solved successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.